Smashfest is an interactive table tennis event for a good cause. It's for concussions and cancer research. Concussions are something that hits right close to home for hockey players. And in honor of my late wife, we have started the Katie Moore Foundation for Rare Cancers. The rare cancers are underrepresented, so we want to do our part for that cause. Smashfest is, first of all, a party with table tennis at its core. Have fun, play table tennis, and just enjoy a good party with NHL players and great beer at Steam Whistle Brewery. We wanted to make it bigger and better, and we are ramping it up.